Whoa, this needs a special weather statement right now. Maybe even a severe thunderstorm warning. Whoa! Holy cow! Holy cow! Jeez! Oh my gosh, this needs a severe thunderstorm warning. This doesn't even need a special weather statement. This needs a severe thunderstorm warning now. Wow. Holy cow. Okay, I'm sorry I reacted, guys, but this is crazy. Didn't even have a special weather statement on it. Holy cow. Oh, here comes another big wind gust, guys. Guys, I get you not. That was probably higher than 50-mile-an-hour winds. And the National Weather Service didn't even bother to put a special weather statement on it, let alone severe thunderstorm warning. This absolutely needs at the least a special weather statement. And I think it needs a severe thunderstorm warning, personally. I have feelings that this went severe right over us, guys. I have feelings that might have happened just now. Thankfully, it didn't cause damage, but holy cow.